Welcome to MMaps MobileCom Smart Mapping GIS tool. This video will show single technology neighbor audit feature of MMaps. So for neighbor audit we have to create site data first. So we'll go on file, click on file, select import. We'll select import point data from Excel. Now in orientation we will select directional, select file. We have this test site data with us. Now here you can see we have 12 different technologies which we can import from a single Excel, but since in our test site data we have single technology GSM 900, so we'll select that, click on OK. Now for this technology we have to enter sector length, so 0.8, beamwidth 45, file name test. Now click on load. As you can see, layer created successfully, so we'll click on yes. Now you can see site data, directional site data has been created. Now we'll right click on this map window, we'll select map TOC. Now we'll double click on this test layer. As you can see we have this color changing option. If you want to change the color, you can select any color. If you don't want to fill any color, just deselect this color option. If you want to change the color of the boundary, select black, click on OK, click on OK. So as you can see boundary color has been changed. Now we'll go on this label properties icon. We'll give the file name for label, that is BCCH. We'll give label on BCCH. So size, we'll give little lesser size than 12, 7. Label placement, wherever you want to give the label placement, you select on that direction. We'll click on center. Now offset, if you want to give offset you can also give that. Once you're done, click on OK. Now select this label option. Now we'll zoom this map window. So as you can see boundary color is black now, and label has been done on these cells. So now if you want to create the neighbor on these cells, first we'll import neighbor. So click on import neighbor, select file. We have this test neighbor data with us, so we'll import this file. We'll click on create neighbor. As you can see it's done, click on OK. Now we'll show you the neighbor on any cell. So for that we'll select show neighbor icon, click on show neighbor, then select any cell, like this cell we have selected. Now click on this cell. As you can see neighbor has been done on this cell. So in MMaps only, this is a unique feature of MMaps, that you can see multiple label on these neighbor. Like you have co-channel, that is of same frequency, one way, adjacent plus minus 1 frequency. So these different neighbors are showing by different color. And if you want to add any neighbor, you can also do that by clicking this add neighbor icon. So select the parent cell, that is 50, showing by green color, drag it up to the another cell and leave, and click on OK. And as you clicked on add, you can have two options, like one way or two way. You want to add neighbor two way, yes, again click on yes, then click on OK. So as you can see neighbor has been added from parent cell 50 to another cell 49. And if you want to delete any neighbor which you don't want to have, so you can also do that. Again you go on a parent cell 50 showing by green color, drag up to the cell which you don't want to have, click on delete. One way, you want to delete one way or both way? Both way, yes, click on OK. So as you can see that neighbor has been deleted now. Now if you want to take the import of the only selected cell, so click on this export neighbor icon. Once you click on it, you can have an export in Excel. You can give any file name. Single or any file name, then you can have an export. So here you can see Excel file exported. And if you want to take an export of all the neighbors, like entire this map window. So then you can click on this export all neighbor. So then you can have an export of all these cells. So I hope this video will help you to perform neighbor audit on single technology. Thank you very much.